Hello everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Channel, where learning feels calm, friendly, and possible every day.
Hi, Sophia, and hi everyone listening right now, wherever you are, maybe at home, on a bus, or walking slowly outside.
I'm really happy you are here with us today, because today's topic is very close to many hearts.
Yes, it is something many people feel but do not always say.
Today we want to talk about something very simple and very honest.
The topic is, you don't need perfect English.
When people hear this, some feel relaxed and some feel surprised.
Yes, because many learners believe they must be perfect before they speak.
I remember feeling that pressure for a long time.
Me too, and it made English feel heavy instead of fun.
Many people think mistakes are bad,
They think mistakes mean failure.
but mistakes are not failure,
Mistakes are a sign that you are trying,
and trying is something brave.
especially when you use a new language.
Some learners wait until they feel ready,
They wait for the perfect words and the perfect moment.
but the truth is simple.
That perfect moment almost never comes.
And while you wait, silence grows.
Silence feels safe, but it stops progress.
Speaking feels scary, but it moves you forward.
Even slow speaking is still moving.
I think many people listening feel afraid of judgment,
Yes, they worry people will laugh or correct them.
but most people are kinder than we imagine.
They usually listen to the message, not the grammar.
Communication is about being understood.
It is not about being perfect.
I once spoke English with many mistakes at a cafe.
And did the conversation stop?
No, it continued, and it felt natural.
That is how real life works.
Real English is messy and human.
Native speakers also make mistakes every day.
They forget words and change sentences,
They pause, repeat, and correct themselves.
but they keep talking.
And that is the key.
If you are listening now and feeling shy, please hear this clearly.
Your English does not need to be perfect to be respected.
Your accent is part of you.
Your slow speed is part of learning.
Your simple words still have meaning.
And meaning is what connects people.
Sometimes learning English feels like walking in fog,
You cannot see far, but you can see one step.
and one step is enough for today.
You do not need to run.
You do not need to impress anyone.
You only need to continue.
I really want our listeners to feel less pressure.
Yes, pressure makes learning harder, not better.
When you relax, your English flows more easily.
Your voice feels more natural.
Confidence does not come before speaking.
Confidence comes after speaking. Pause.
That is something many people do not know.
They wait for confidence, but confidence grows with action.
Even one small sentence is a win.
Even one short conversation matters.
If today you only listen, that is okay.
Listening is also part of learning.
And if tomorrow you speak one sentence, that is amazing.
Small steps build big progress.
English is not a test you pass or fail.
It is a tool you use to live and connect.
When you stop chasing perfection, you feel lighter.
And learning feels more human.
So if you feel tired today, take a breath.
Relax your shoulders. Pause.
You are allowed to be imperfect.
You are allowed to be learning.
Your English today is enough for today.
And tomorrow, it will grow a little more.
Let's stay with this calm feeling for a moment.
Yes, let's keep going together and talk more about this idea. Smile.
All right, now let's slow down and talk more deeply about this feeling many learners carry inside every day.
Yes, that quiet feeling that says, I am not ready yet, even when you already understand a lot.
This feeling can be very strong and very convincing.
It tells you to wait, to stay silent, and to keep your words inside.
Many learners listen very well in English.
They watch videos, enjoy podcasts, and understand stories.
But when it is time to speak, something changes.
Their voice feels small, and their confidence feels far away.
This does not mean they are bad at English.
It means fear is louder than courage in that moment.
Fear of mistakes can feel heavy in the body.
Fear of sounding strange can stop a sentence before it starts.
Fear of judgment makes silence feel safe.
But silence also keeps English locked inside.
I have talked to many learners who say the same thing.
They say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak."
When I hear that, I feel something very gentle inside.
Yes, because their English is already there.
It is just waiting for permission to come out.
And that permission often comes from kindness, not pressure.
I remember my first real conversation with a stranger in English.
I remember mine too, and my heart was beating so fast.
My hands felt cold and my thoughts felt messy.
Even easy words suddenly felt very far away.
I wanted to sound smart and correct.
I wanted to sound like I belonged.
But instead, I sounded simple and slow.
And you know what happened next?
Nothing bad happened at all.
The other person listened and waited.
They did not rush me.
They did not laugh at my mistakes.
They focused on what I was trying to say.
And the conversation continued naturally.
That moment stayed with me for a long time.
Because it showed me something very real.
Real life is usually kinder than our fears.
And people are often more patient than we expect.
We imagine negative reactions in our minds.
But most people are just happy to communicate.
Native speakers are not perfect speakers.
They forget words, change sentences, and repeat ideas.
They say and every day.
They stop and start again without thinking.
That is normal language.
Not perfect language.
When learners chase perfection, English feels heavy.
It feels like something you must pass.
But English is not a test.
It is a tool for connection.
I like to think of English as a bridge.
A bridge does not need to be beautiful to work.
It only needs to connect two people.
And even a simple bridge is enough.
Many learners compare themselves to others.
They look at fluent speakers and feel small.
But comparison hides the full story.
You do not see the years of practice.
You do not see the fear they felt before.
Or the mistakes they made in private.
Everyone's journey looks different.
And every journey is valid.
Some people learn fast.
Some people learn slowly.
Speed does not decide success.
Consistency does.
Speaking a little again and again changes everything.
Even one sentence a day matters.
Even one short message is progress.
Even one small question builds courage.
Courage does not feel loud or dramatic.
It feels quiet and personal.
Courage can be one word.
Or one smile and one hello.
Those small moments are powerful.
They open doors slowly.
Many learners stop because of embarrassment.
Embarrassment feels uncomfortable, but it passes.
Regret stays longer.
Regret sounds like, "I wish I tried,"
I would rather feel embarrassed for one moment.
than regret staying silent for years.
Mistakes disappear quickly.
But courage stays inside you.
If you are listening now and feeling nervous, please hear this.
You are not behind.
You are not late.
You are exactly where you need to be.
Learning English is not a straight line.
It goes up, down, and sideways.
Some days feel easy.
Some days feel heavy.
Both days are part of learning.
There are no wrong days.
English does not grow from perfection.
It grows from use.
Using English makes it alive.
Keeping it inside makes it sleep.
Even talking to yourself helps.
Even thinking out loud builds comfort.
You don't need big conversations.
Small moments are enough.
Confidence grows slowly, like a plant.
Quietly, day by day.
Many people wait for confidence before speaking.
But confidence comes after speaking.
This simple idea changes everything.
It removes so much pressure.
You don't need to feel ready.
You just need to begin
Begin where you are today,
with the words you already have,
not the perfect words from the future.
the real words you know now.
Today's English is enough for today.
And tomorrow, it will grow a little more.
Learning English is a long conversation.
And you are already part of it.
I love thinking about it that way.
Me too. It feels warm and welcoming.
Let's keep this feeling as we move forward.
Yes, because there is one more important thing we need to talk about next.
As we come closer to the end of this conversation, I want to slow everything down for a moment.
Yes, this part is like sitting together quietly and talking from the heart.
If you are listening right now and feeling tired with English, that feeling is okay.
Feeling tired does not mean you are weak. It means you have been trying.
Many people think learning English should feel exciting all the time.
But real learning also has quiet days and heavy days.
Some days you feel confident and strong.
Other days you feel slow, unsure, or even frustrated.
Both kinds of days are normal.
Both kinds of days are part of the journey.
Learning a language is not just about words and sounds.
It is also about emotions, patience, and self-belief.
Sometimes the hardest part is not English itself.
The hardest part is how we talk to ourselves inside our head.
Many learners say very hard things to themselves.
They say, "I am bad at English," or "I will never be good."
These sentences are heavy.
And they are often not true.
English does not need perfection to grow.
It needs time, kindness, and use.
Every time you speak, something small changes inside you.
Even if you do not notice it right away.
Growth is often quiet.
It happens slowly in the background.
You may not hear it today.
But one day you suddenly realize you understand more.
Or you speak without thinking so much.
Or you feel less afraid than before.
These moments come from staying, not quitting.
From continuing even when progress feels invisible.
I want to say something very clearly now.
Please listen to this part with an open heart.
You do not need perfect English to live your life.
You do not need perfect English to speak to people.
You do not need perfect English to be respected.
You do not need perfect English to belong.
Your English can be simple and still be powerful.
Your English can be broken and still be understood.
People listen to your intention, not your grammar book.
They feel your honesty, not your mistakes.
When you speak with sincerity, people respond with warmth.
When you speak with courage, people feel it.
Courage does not mean feeling confident.
Courage means speaking even when confidence is small.
That kind of courage changes you.
Little by little, day by day.
One day you will look back and feel proud.
Proud that you did not give up.
Proud that you spoke even when your voice shook.
Proud that you stayed with English through difficult moments.
English is not something you conquer.
It is something you build a relationship with.
Some days the relationship feels easy.
Some days it feels difficult.
But you keep showing up.
And that is what matters.
Before we finish, we want to invite you to be part of this conversation.
If you feel comfortable, please write a comment and share how you feel about your English.
You can write one sentence or a few simple words.
Your comment does not need to be perfect.
And if these calm conversations help you feel more relaxed with English, please subscribe to Chill English channel.
Subscribing helps us continue sitting here with you and sharing these moments.
We are very grateful you spent this time with us.
You are always welcome here.
Remember, your English today is enough for today.
And tomorrow, with kindness and practice, it will grow again.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.